As you get older, birthdays start to feel different. They are quieter, heavier. You sit with yourself not just to celebrate, but to reflect, and sometimes to question: am I where I'm supposed to be? Have I reached the milestone society said I should by now? At 25, those questions hit different. It's not teenage confusion anymore, it's the beginning of real adulthood. So this year, I chose to pause, to be present, and to reflect on the 25 lessons life has taught me so far. So here's how I spent my birthday and what turning 25 really taught me. I remember this one conversation I had with a friend back in high school. We were dreaming out loud about what 25 would look like. By 25, I want to be married, with kids, working at my big girl job, I said. Bold and certain, like I had time all figured out. Now here I am, I've ticked some of those boxes. No baby just yet, but somehow it doesn't feel like I thought it would. I used to think 25 was grown, like grown. But now that I'm here, I realize I'm still a baby in so many ways.
Being in your 20s is so crazy. You blink twice, mid 20s. Wait a minute. Wait, mid center. When did I get to my mid 20s? How old am I?
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
Yo, get married. I highly recommend it. My man did all of this. I'm gonna be out here eating nice. I was told to eat west because we're going to have fun tonight. Marriage is nice. So the sun was out like a couple minutes ago. I was really cooking. And you're probably wondering, where am I going in this rain? I need to go do my nails. Yeah, pretty much that's how it's looking right now. So we're gonna go and how do you vlog again? When last did I vlog? And now that I've reached 25, I realize that I'm still learning and still unlearning some things and still figuring out what making it even means. Maybe it's my overthinking brain, or maybe it's that overly ambitious part of me that keeps shifting the goalposts forward every time I get close. But I look back at that younger version of me and I just laugh. I want to tell her, girl, 25 ain't old, you're not late, you're not behind, you're just getting started.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweetest, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to clean and proper. Where you move, you know you can love her. You gonna me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby.
And the winner is open. The winner is husband. There's the old lady. We got you.
Thanks, baby. Turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Boys, keep it nice and steady. Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 bathe. 향기 가득한 lotion 촉촉해져. My cocoa bomb. Oh, I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it a daily brighter day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, it's alright to be right. Goes on and on and on, yeah. Detour 한 개 하얀 벚꽃만 바랬던 날. 그랬었길 바랬던 예전 소원 이룬 날. 너의 문자 사탕 같은 말. 숨길 수 없는 payday. 고소한 coffee, yes, we go on and on. Collect them all. Oh, I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want.
Failed. Success. And now struggle. 240 various solutions. Degree holder number 1.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we sure as hell funny. Everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground.
I'm so excited. And then this is the cover. And this is the pin. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like I've been wanting this for the longest time. And I finally got it. Okay, let's unveil it in a very cutesy way. Oh, so satisfying. Number 1, emotion follows action. You won't always feel like doing the thing, but you start anyway, and the spark shows up somewhere along the line. Number 2, Nobody is watching you, and yet everybody is. People aren't obsessed with your mistakes like you think, but someone out there is watching you to see if it's okay for them to show up fully too. Number three, being a high functioning, emotionally repressed firstborn isn't a flex, it's a trauma response. I thought I was driven, but I was performing for love I thought I had to earn. Number four, learn to be selfish, the good kind. Self respect starts with boundaries, with choosing yourself without guilt. Lesson number five, being multi passionate isn't confusion, it's creativity. I don't want one lane, I want to explore, build, create, and that's okay. Number six, rest your body or your body will rest you. Burnout doesn't make you a hero, listening to your body does. Number seven, do things just for yourself. Not everything needs to be content, some things are sacred, just yours. Lesson number eight, stop caring so much about what people think. Their opinions don't pay your rent in your soul, so let it go. Lesson number nine, growing up is a scam. Nobody told us adulting was this ghetto, but here we are. Lesson number 10, your spiritual journey is personal. You don't need to prove anything to anyone, just keep it real with God. Number 11, no one is coming to save you, and oddly enough, that's empowering. Number 12, it's hard to ask people to take care of you, but you deserve to be held too. Number 13, unlearn the habits that have kept you alive but now keep you small. You don't need to hustle for your worth anymore. Number 14, you need to skill up. Every new thing you learn is a break on your future. Number 15, it's okay to change your mind. You're allowed to outgrow your dreams. Number 16, friendships evolve. Some will last forever, some won't, and that's not failure, it's life. Number 17, life doesn't happen in a straight line, there's beauty in the detours. Number 18, social media is a highlight reel. Don't compare your behind the scenes to someone else's curated post. Number 19, discipline beats motivation every time. Motivation is a spark and discipline is the engine. Number 20, being low maintenance is not a flex. You're allowed to ask for softness, for care, for more. Lesson number 21, you don't have to monetize every hobby. Let some things be just for fun, just for you. Number 22, vulnerability is strength. It takes courage to be seen, fully seen. Number 23, grief isn't just about death. You can grieve old versions of yourself, and you should. Number 24, being soft in a hard world is radical. Tenderness is rebellion, so keep your softness. And number 25, you are both a masterpiece and a work in progress. Be proud, but stay open. So here's to the next chapter of learning, unlearning, and just having fun with life and living it to the fullest. So happy birthday to me! Officially completed a quarter of a century. Bye!